Today is D-Day, and yeah, feeling excited, confident. It's a nice sunny day behind all the clouds, and I don't know, looking forward to it. So we'll push kind of the 8.
The cornflakes are in, so we're ready to rock, really. Not ready, Dad. Did you have cornflakes? Yeah, are we positive today?
Yeah.
Definitely positive. We'll stick with that attitude. Yeah, let's go. Woo! Punch it. Yeah, we're just after landing in here. We're in Banview Studios and last little bit of prep. Big day ahead, a lot to get through. Fingers crossed we get through it all. If not, we'll be back again tomorrow and the next day until we get it done.
I'm Sean O'Graham and I'm here recording and producing this album for Goitse. I met the lads probably a good 10 years ago maybe. I've been great pals ever since. It's great to finally record an album with them.
The way we'd done it for previous albums was we would record a guide track and then we would all record our individual bits over that. But this is fun because for this one we should be able to all record our actual tracks at the same time. Gives a nice energy to the whole thing.
One nearly done, yeah.
Oh, cool. That'd be sad. Thanks.
Sign in some.
Yeah, first thing I'm doing when I get home is buying a Moog.
Don't tell you I am known as only a one-take wonder. This will be my only take of the day. It's literally the opposite. I'll be the one here all day.
Whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets to pick the album name.
Okay, let's go again then. 2, 3, go.
Go to Ed Sheeran and just use a symbol.
Just call it a colour. The last album was called Ur and this one's called Or.
Nice, go.
Go.
Won't be confusing at all.
No.
No. Arrogant.
Lack of.
What's copper?
It's productive. We have 2 done. Really happy to sign off on already, which is great. So just looking for this bonus third one, this elusive third one in the day. It'd be great.
It's a wrap on day 1. 3 sets down.
That's it. Just finished the album there.